Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a very vintage, powerful chainsaw. This is a 2100 Husqvarna XP, the 100cc motor. It's got a 3/8 28-inch bar and chain. That is a sprocket nose bar, new bar, and a new 3/8 chain. These saws are capable of running up to a 50-inch bar. They were very powerful, used here in the Pacific Northwest to cut the big timber. We'll get up close here and take a look at some of the features on this saw. Kill switch is right there. Choke is over here. It's got a throttle lock, and if you squeeze the trigger and this lock down like that, that holds it at old quarter throttle, and it makes it easier starting. You can put your foot on the foot pad here. That's the foot pad. Put it on the ground. Frees up a hand so you don't have your hands busy trying to throttle that while you're cranking on it, so you can get one hand on the starter and one on the handlebar there. Makes it a lot easier to start. Then you just hit your trigger and it pops right up. It's a great feature on this saw. There is a override, a manual oil pump. This has a automatic oil pump, and it is adjustable. And then you have the manual for that extra oil if you're cutting some pitchy wood. It's got the side load on your bar and chain oil and on the gas. Always makes it nice. Lay your saw on the side there. Gasoline on the right here, and the bar and chain oil here. Got that very large muffler. Helps tone down this 100cc motor. Got the large falling spikes. Inside and outside. Outside and then the inside dog. It's got the 7th mount, is what this is called. This stiffened up the frame, made it more durable when you were running the long bars. It was a great feature. Tension up the bar, just loosen the 2 bar nuts here. And right on the inside here you'll see a slotted screw right there, and that's your adjustment on the bar tensioner. It's got that very popular wrap handlebar, so you can grip this saw on all sides. Doesn't matter if you're on a side hill or down low, you can get a good grip on the handlebar all the way around there. It's got that working chain brake. You just don't see on these saws very often. Working brake. And it's just a big professional chainsaw. It does have the thin rings, which was an option you could get on these for a little higher RPMs, and this one does feature that. We'll go outside and make a cut with this saw now.